Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get grass blocks in Minecraft. To successfully acquire these blocks, your primary method involves using a tool enchanted with Silk Touch. Without this special enchantment, breaking a grass block will only yield a regular dirt block, which isn't what we want. Silk Touch ensures you pick up the block exactly as it looks in the world, preserving its grassy top. This is the fundamental step for any landscaping project. There are several ways to get your hands on the valuable Silk Touch enchantment. One common method is using an enchanting table, especially at higher experience levels, to directly enchant your tools. Another excellent option is trading with librarian villagers, who often sell Silk Touch enchantment books. Additionally, you might discover these rare books in chests found in dungeons, strongholds, or other generated structures across your world. Once you have the Silk Touch enchantment, you'll want to apply it to the right tool. While any tool with Silk Touch can technically break a grass block, a shovel is by far the most efficient and fastest option. You can also use a pickaxe or an axe, but they will be slower. Simply equip your enchanted tool and start mining those beautiful grass blocks to add to your inventory. Collecting grass blocks opens up many creative and practical possibilities in Minecraft. They are perfect for enhancing the aesthetics of your builds, making your structures blend seamlessly with the environment. Furthermore, grass blocks provide a natural spawning surface for passive mobs like cows and sheep, which is great for animal farms. You can also use them to cultivate crops or design beautiful, functional animal pastures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.